Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the open modal. Okay, so it's very important. Like somebody use the modal, but dialog modal is very easy. Like you can say that not easy, but it's very useful for the respective of the, like you can say, the UI perspective in spite of the modal. So we are going to implement this one, how we open this kind of thing. So I'm going to use one because I have to create a form, something like this. So I need to copy all this. I need to go to my this one, and I will going to replace this one full one. Okay, and this would be, sorry, there should be a app. Okay, control A, control V, and there should be a form, not form dialog, there should be a app, and we will add the export function app. Okay, so let's see what exactly it is gonna be running. You can see that beautiful image is there, beautiful modal box is opening. So this is happening where, so this is where you can use, suppose we have like you can say we have a table. Okay, we have a add, you can say you can make it like I will show you how you can make it like add customers. Okay, here you can add the add customers. So this way you can whenever you are going to add this, you add customers, there would be a pop-up where you can see that where we have input fields like name, everything, and you can just click on the submit button over here. So you can make it like submit, so save button. Okay, you can make the save button also, so you can save the data on that. Also you can hit the props method, hit the API to save all the data, and that would be nice looking form. You can see that. So you can use any of the modal dialog model over here. So there are number of, but I think the best one I have seen this one. So this is very okay in the form of form you want to open, so you can use this one. So you can also, you want whether you want to agree or disagree pop up on that. Okay, and by default there is a dispatch action. There is basically, it is on the button click, right? You can also make it default open, right? You need to you need to pass, if you want to open it to by default without any button click. So here you have, we have sent the open, so you need to just make it true over here. Make it true. Sorry, it's gonna be like this. Make it true. Okay, and here this on handle click it is true, but by default on handle click make it false. Okay, when I click on the handle, right, and make it here true. So reverse the things. Okay, and this is this, and you can see that whenever we have this one, it will open by default. So I'm going to reload this one, it is open by default, right? So you can, if you want like open by default like a subscription newsletter, if you want to open, you can also use this one. Please fill this form, then I right click, it is not coming right. So when I click on the save, so I think the event is on click event is, I guess there is not working. We can see that, but here we have, where we have on click on save, but on handle close. Okay, on handle close it, make it false. Okay, and let's open it. Open, save, reload this one. It by default open, on save button it is set. Okay, so you can use this one in any of the form, right? And it's very helpful and easy. You can use it anywhere. Okay, so that's it for now. You can use this dialog box to make it more nicely a pop-up formation, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Have a nice day.